Draw and write for pictures that show good habits and draw wrong for the pictures that show bad habits. Good habit, right. Bad habit, wrong. Good habit, right. Bad habit, wrong. Good habit, right. Bad habit, wrong.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.